Home run trade, baby. This morning, I broke down a trade on the live stream. As I was walking away, somebody asked in the live stream, like, hey, Patrick, what do you think is going to happen now? If you were going to enter a trade, what would your trade look like? Where would you be entering? Where would you be exiting? Well, I broke it all down live on the live stream, and it ended up playing out pretty much perfectly. It played out exactly how we had it planned out. So I'm going to show you guys the trade in terms of me mapping it all out and what I thought would happen before it happened. So I'm going to show you how I actually predicted that the market would move in the exact way that it moved based on a very simple strategy that I use here on the channel all the time. And I talked about this, multiple times in videos. So I'm going to break it all down right here in this video. Make sure you stay tuned. Yeah. Be a nice setup if this keeps pushing. You get this little push up here, you go, and then you want that pullback. And then at that point, those EMAs are going to be right here waiting. And then look at the MACD. The MACD is getting ready to cross. If momentum continues the way that it's moving, the MACD is going to cross. These candles down at the bottom are going to start to turn green. Green candle, green candle, green candle. That's what you want to see. I just pretty much drew exactly what you want to see happen there. Market trying to push back up off that level again. You can see we didn't get the close. Like, we were right there, man. Little fake out below that level there. Almost, we held that 40. So this is some good consolidation. Basically, we want to see the MACD cross. We want to see this level get held there. When would I take profit for this move? I think if you get a breakout to the upside, you got to push to the high of day. 640 area would be, you got that level. And then 600 will be a level as well there. So 2 profit target levels. Get a breakout from this. Push to the 600s. And then after that, 640, 650 area on the Nasdaq here. So, all right. So this is looking like we're going to get this breakout here. This setup playing out. Once this MACD crosses, I'm thinking this is off to the races, boys. Like I said, target should be 630, 640 level from here. You can basically risk. Let's get this candle to close above this high right here. We want this candle to close. All right, so this is looking pretty good for a push up here. I would say, this is not financial advice by any means, but on the 3-minute chart, we got the EMA cross. We're getting the EMA setting up on the 3-minute chart as well. MACD getting ready to cross. Might get a little bit of a pullback. Let these EMAs cool down. Let's see. Got that 90, got the 80 EMA and the 13 EMA and the 21 EMA crossing right there. All right, so as you can see here, this trade worked out beautifully. We broke this down on the live stream, holding that 50 level all the way up there to 650 for a 100 handle move. I mapped out this entire thing on the live stream. You guys saw how it all went down, and well, look at that amazing setup from the 550s up there to 653 now, continue to go higher. One thing that I want to point out is just how everything lined up perfectly. We had the MACD cross. We broke out to the upside. The EMAs fanned out. We're getting green, 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 just like we were hoping for here on the MACD momentum. So everything just played out perfectly, and it squeezed up there to that 653 area. Like I said before, we made this whole plan before it happened live on the live stream. So if you guys haven't already tuned in at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, well, I would highly suggest doing that. So again, like where would be some entries at if you weren't buying for this breakout right here? I think this is a really good entry off of this level, off of that 581 level. Now up there to 655, still going higher. If you look at the 3-minute chart, we got the cross right there at the 565. So a beautiful cross there on the 3-minute chart for the EMAs. And look at that move up there to 651. I mean, it's been green, 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 green here on the 3-minute chart for quite some time. And that's over 100 handles. Over 100 handle move there. Absolutely beautiful, my friends. Absolutely beautiful. So there it is, just breaking it down, showing you guys that sometimes I do know what I'm talking about. All right, all right. So there it is, showing you guys exactly how these strategies work. Doing it live on the live stream before the move happened, kind of mapped it all out, had a overall idea of exactly what I thought would play out, and well, it ended up playing out exactly like we thought it would. That was before the move. We made the plan before the move, and we saw exactly how that all played out. So if you guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll talk to you guys later on.
Yeah.